In part 1, I showed you 3 words to avoid. Now let me show you what to say instead. Hi, I'm Lizzie Butler. With 25 years in communication and sales, I teach practical communication skills to help you influence positively, perform at your best, and achieve the outcomes you need. So if you're cutting but try and don't, what should you use instead? There's 2 really good options, and do. And is the perfect replacement for but. Do brings in the positivity that try and don't both take away. Here's why and works so well. It's a building word. It acknowledges what's been said or what's happening and then moves the conversation forward. It helps you find common ground and identify options. It shows you're looking to create something useful from whatever situation you're in, even when things are already going well. And reminds everyone that you can always make things better. For example, we've just closed that deal quickly and easily, and that gives us the opportunity to develop our relationship with this client further by see how that builds on the success instead of stopping it. Do keeps the focus only on what needs to happen. For example, do manage your breathing before and throughout the presentation in the ways we've been practicing. Not don't panic or try not to get nervous. Just clear, positive guidance about what to actually do. Here's a good rule to follow. Only tell people what you do want them to do. It makes everything easier for them and helps them perform at their best. And builds momentum. Do creates clarity. Use them both and watch your influence grow. If this gave you something to think about, like it, share it, and follow for more.